everyone is doing well and feeling blessed and loved and getting ready for this holiday season to spend time with their loved ones and take a little break. So I'm excited. I'm also excited to do a little holiday decor for my home. I'm not going to be really showing you like Christmassy stuff, but more of a little bit of bling just to, bring in the festivities into my home in a proper fashion. So I have a great haul for you today from, let's see, Restoration Hardware. That's right, I found a bit of a gem. It's just a small haul from Restoration Hardware. A few pieces from Burlington, a few pieces from HomeGoods. Yeah, so let me just jump right into it. Yeah, let's see here. What should I start off with first? Should I start off with Restoration Hardware? Okay, I will. I know that's what you guys want to see. So, I got this beautiful vessel. 29. Yes, $29.99. This is from Restoration Hardware. Yes, one. It's just a white concrete bowl. It's really nice. And it had one sitting down on the table in the outlet in Katy, Texas. There was just one sitting out there. And it's always good to ask questions because I picked it up, of course, when I saw the price. I was like, yes, sir, I'm going to go ahead and get it, right? So I got it to the cashier, and then there was a beautiful marble one for like $200, a little bit over $200. And I was going to buy it. I actually was because I wanted two. It's always better to have two. It wasn't the same as this concrete one here. However, I did want two, and I was going to buy that one, but it was extremely heavy. I mean, this thing was like a marble coffee table. It actually hurt my chest, and the guy that picked it up and brought it to the cashier for me, he was struggling with it. So this thing was really heavy, and I was just like, I don't even know how I'm going to get this in my car. And he's like, well, you can bring your car around, and blah, 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 blah. Right? So anyway, I was like, by any chance, do you have any vessels in the back? And guess what he brings back? Another one. Another one of these. Two, okay, so we got two, right? And then he was like, so I was like, oh, thank you. So he just brings out one. And I was like, you wouldn't happen to have another one, right? You wouldn't happen to have another one. And he was like, oh, well, let me go check. And then guess what? He brings out, hold on, what do we have in this bag, guys? What do we have in this bag? Yes. So I just asked him, and he brings out another one. So yes. So now we have one, two, one's on my lap, three. So, you know me. I went all the way in. And I was like, how about another? So he brought me out all of them. And guess what? I took them all. 5 of these bad boys. I took home 5 of these beautiful vessels that were $30 a piece. So I know I have a plan to what I'm going to do with 3. And then I have 2 for my living room. Yes, look at these beautiful, beautiful concrete bowls for the discount RH price, outlet price of $29.99. Yes, indeed. So let's see what else we have. What else did we get from RH? I didn't get a lot. There are 2 pieces in there that I actually can't afford that I'm thinking about going back and getting. If I do get it, I will definitely show you. Another RH bag, guys. And this time, it's a mini one. These were $20. Yes, you can see it here. It says French oak, purple iris, hint of smoky woods, and they are candles. Did you guess? They're like this smoky gray. They smell good. A little goes a long way. I don't know if I'm going to keep them in the box or not, but I did buy something that can possibly go in from Burlington. So I got 3 of these here. And again, these were the French oak cuttings, purple iris, pure white oak. Yes, and these were $20. Mini votive candles, a set of 3 from RH. And of course, always get 2. So yes, I got 2, people. I got 2. And that is my haul for RH There is a Scrabble game that I want from in there. And then there is also here, but I wanted it. I didn't want to spend too much. I know it's our age, and you know when you get a good discount, you should get it. But I didn't want to go overboard since I got five of these things here, of these vessels. I didn't want to, do too much. So all in all, that's what I got. And then moving right along. Um, so let's move on to home goods. So yes, as I was saying, I do want to bling it up a little bit. So I started off with some pillows, and you're gonna have to stay tuned and watch my channel to see where I actually put these. So I got $24.99 each. You can see the detail. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? So yes, and it's like almost like it looks a little leathery, and I love the two-tone. What do you call this thing again? I know the name of it, but I can't remember. So this shimmery kind of, it's not a lot of shimmer, but I like this painted look, this painted material look. And then I got these. It's like almost like the same color, but a different pattern, and to go along with it. And this one was $24.99 as well. And hi-ya, and hi-ya, and hi-ya. This is what you got. Oh, my karate chops didn't work that well, guys. Sorry. Yes. So, see the detail? You see the texture? Me love some texture. Okay. Now I got me some Mercury lamps. See these here? So guys, I know I showed a lot of lamps lately, and they weren't working, so I took those back and I kept looking, and I think these are it, because I didn't want something that looked exactly like a lamp for what I'm going to do, what I have in mind. And of course I have a styling video coming up on my channel. I promise you guys, it's a part 2. Yes, but I do have a styling video coming up, and this was here. $29.99. I did get 2 of these, and these are from HomeGoods. So yes, HomeGoods. And then I got this Gravies, $16.99. Don't you just love it? This is for the living room. $16.99. I got 2 of these, and look at the detail. Look at the detail on it. Yes, from HomeGoods. I like it. I like it. And this can go with different things. And then when you get tired of the color, you can always paint it. So that's what I am going to do. When I'm done with the color, I'm going to paint it maybe a white. But I do love it. I do love it indeed. So, yep. And then, okay, so you see the color scheme that I'm going for, right? So you have this pillow, and then you have these lamps. You see how lovely that looks? Yep. Right? And then I got this this painting here. I need 2 of these, guys. Have you seen her? Tell me, have you seen her? I only have 1, and what I want to do with it, it's not working with 1, so I'm going to have to put it somewhere else where it only calls for 1 picture. And yes, so this was $39.99 from HomeGoods. Can you see the pattern? It has that glitz and that glam. So again, you can see this is what I'm going for. This is what I'm going for. See, I got this one here. They're long, and there's one right there on the wall. You can see it here. And this one is how much is this one? $39.99. $39.99. $39.99. Okay, yes. So you can see it has this texture and a little hint of glitter. And I like it because it's not too much glitter, because mirrored stuff, that's just, it's not me. I'm more of a funky type of person, decor-wise, aesthetics. I like to mix, but I want to give a little glam for the holidays. So This has a nice little pattern on it that still looks kind of rustic. It almost looks weddingy to me. Can you see it here? Almost looks like wedding. So I don't know. I have a couple of pieces to choose from. And yeah, but this again, this is what all goes together. Together forever and ever. So then we have this beautiful pillow. Now look at the detail on this little baby. I only found one, but it has so much bling that I can put this on a chair or put this anywhere, and it's really going to stand out even with one. Of course, two is more fun, but this is a beautiful piece. And this brand here, Artistic, this they really have some really good pillows at HomeGoods for the holidays. So if you are going, look for the brand Artistic. If you're going to go on a haul or a shopping spree at or just pick up a few pieces, you don't have to be like me always shopping. But for $19.99, and sometimes I go shopping and I shop for clients as well. Sometimes I show you things that are for clients. Sometimes I show you things that are for me. I do not keep everything. So, you know, I do like to shop, yes, and I have done a lot of shopping hauls recently. There's a Burlington, there is an RH outlet, nice, and it has some really nice stuff in the RH outlet. So check out that video on my channel. It was just updated, I think, yesterday. So yesterday being November 22nd. Okay. So yes, we have RH, Burlington. What else is there? Michaels. Michaels has some great things for home decor. So check that out. Videos are there for you to watch and to see some of these pieces in the actual store, because I know HomeGoods and some Burlingtons don't carry the same of everything. But yes, so back to the pillow. Really pretty, right? Looks like a piece of jewelry. You know, it's really pretty. I could, you know, use this as a clutch, a very large clutch. I'm ready to go, y'all. I'm silly. I know I'm silly. $20, HomeGoods. Moving right along. Okay, so then I got this mirror. Isn't she lovely? Okay, you can see her, the color. It's like a gold tonish color. And this mirror was $69.99 from HomeGoods. So yes, I know I have a lot of stuff for the wall. I am trying to decide on what I am putting on the wall for the holidays. What is going to be my bling of choice? Then I got this beautiful throw, gold tone again. Really pretty. You can see it here. It has the tassels and it's just chenille feel. Very nice. This was $16.99 and this was from HomeGoods. I really do like it. You know, I got my throw, my I'm fancy people. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. I have to keep myself entertained. Not much to do these days, but shop. Yes. So let's go with. Let's move on to another piece from HomeGoods. I got two of these, so you can see it's all in the same color family. Yes, all in the same family. You can see it here. Oh, maybe this is better to hold it up, right? And this one was $24.99, and I got two of these sets. So two sets I got. So yes, $24.99. Okay, so moving to Burlington now. Okay, so I got these beautiful candle holders. Beautiful. I got two sets of these. These I am definitely going to keep. How lovely. How lovely. Do you drink out of this? I doubt it. No, you cannot. You can if you want to. I wouldn't recommend drinking anything out here, but if you want to be fancy, you can. So these were at Burlington, $9.99, $10, and this was $12.99. You can see it. It's a set. You can see this is the bigger one. This is the smaller one. Mama and a papa. Mama and a papa. Yes. And then I got this one here. So yes, I wanted to put all at once. I'm gonna just pop one of these RH candles out and pop it in here, my dear. So how does that look? Yeah, I don't think so. But yes, these smell heavenly, heavenly without even being lit. Can you imagine when it's lit? It's gonna be lit when it's lit. Okay, so yes, those were from Burlington. Again, this was $14.99. See the detail, pewter, really nice. Okay, we're gonna move into a picture, my special picture. It's not gonna be everybody's taste. Well, you gotta have your own style, right? And this, of course, guys, this lady right here, this is my style. This is a baby, a BB. Can you see her? I love this. Look at it. It's a silhouette, a smudged silhouette of a lady, and I think she is fabulous. I wanted to put this in my bedroom, but it doesn't really go. But I just found this. I wasn't looking for it, and I couldn't leave the store without it. It was $24.99. I didn't see anything else remotely close to it, but it was only one there, and I got her. It's like brown, and I'll put it more here for you so you can see it. So 20. So then I also got another one of these throws. I found one of these at HomeGoods before, but then Burlington had one as well, and this is like beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's like a fur coat. Oh my goodness, this is a really nice fur coat. No, it's a fur throw, and beautiful. Look at the texture. Really goes well with my decor. So in the midst of me making this video, I went to HomeGoods and I found these beautiful black, grayish, smoky gray candle holders for $19.99. I picked up two and I'm at the cash register. And then look what I found. I found something that's matching the picture that I showed you earlier. Yeah, $39.99. Let's take it home and see what it looks like. Then I found this Magnolia Home vase in a crate. I have a plant for this big, beautiful piece right here, but $49.99. I took it home with me. So yeah, I can't wait to show what I do with it, how I style it, but it really is nice and it's versatile. I think it's actually a table, and you're supposed to, you know, it comes at the table, and then you're supposed to put it on top of the table. So it's a vase and a table for $50. So I guess $25 each. There it is. I like it. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that table, but I took the vase. That's it, guys, for my haul. It's been great hanging with y'all, and I will see you soon with a styling video for sure. And take care. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Beautiful people, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.